Kensington Docking Stations simplify connecting your laptop to multiple devices through a single cable that handles power, data, and video connections. They use USB-C or Thunderbolt technology, allowing you to connect monitors, keyboards, mice, and other peripherals all at once. Recent models feature AI for automatic configuration, support high-speed data transfer, and provide up to 240 watts of power delivery. These docking stations are essential for hybrid work environments, enabling seamless transitions between office and remote setups. As of 2026, Kensington holds a significant share in the docking station market, trusted by professionals worldwide. Start by unboxing your Kensington Docking Station. Remove it carefully from the packaging. Connect the provided USB-C or Thunderbolt cable to your laptop. Ensure your laptop's port supports power delivery (PD) if you want the dock to charge it. Connect your peripherals, monitors via HDMI or DisplayPort, keyboard, mouse, Ethernet cable, and external drives to the dock's ports. Consider using a Kensington lock to secure the dock. For Windows users, begin by downloading the latest drivers from kensington.com/support. This ensures your docking station works properly with your system. Step 1. Download the latest drivers. Visit the support page and locate the Windows driver download. The promotional image shows the download section for reference. Step 2. Run the installer. Double-click the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. These drivers enable full functionality, including video output up to 8K resolution and audio pass-through for clear sound. For optimal performance, regularly check for driver updates using Kensington's online portal. This ensures compatibility with the latest Windows updates. For macOS users, driver updates for Kensington Docking Stations are typically handled through the System Preferences application. Open System Preferences and navigate to the Software Updates section to check for any available updates. However, it's still recommended to visit kensington.com/support to download any specific macOS drivers or firmware updates for your docking station model. Before installing, verify that your macOS version is compatible with the dock specifications. Check the system requirements on the Kensington website. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow all on-screen prompts to complete the driver installation. If your dock isn't recognized, first check the cable connection and ensure it's securely plugged in. Make sure the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable is firmly connected to both the dock and your laptop. Next, update your laptop's BIOS or firmware. Access your laptop's settings or manufacturer website to check for and install any available updates, which can resolve compatibility issues. Visit Kensington's website for troubleshooting guides and diagnostic apps. Download and run their tools to identify and fix common issues with your docking station. Compatibility issues can arise with older laptops lacking full Thunderbolt support. Use Kensington's Compatibility Checker tool to verify if your laptop is compatible with their docking stations. Kensington docking stations often support multiple monitors for enhanced productivity. Configure display settings in your operating system to extend your desktop across multiple monitors or mirror them for duplicate display. This works on both Windows and macOS. Ensure your dock and laptop support the resolution and refresh rates of your monitors for optimal performance. AI-assisted auto-configuration in newer Kensington models simplifies setup by automatically detecting connected devices and optimizing settings. Kensington is advancing toward wireless docking solutions featuring Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3 integration. These advanced models offer cable-free connections, significantly reducing workspace clutter. Sustainability is also a key trend, with newer docks incorporating recycled materials for eco-friendly design. Looking ahead, future docks may include AI-driven personalization, adapting to user habits, and integrating seamlessly with cloud services. Protect your Kensington dock using the Kensington lock slot to prevent theft. Experts recommend regular driver and firmware updates to mitigate compatibility issues and potential cybersecurity vulnerabilities. Kensington is adopting zero-trust protocols in upcoming models to enhance security. Regularly visit kensington.com/support for the latest updates and security patches.